After Effects has one of the most powerful text animation engines in the market today. Mastering these animators will become most important in your work. After this chapter, you should be comfortable animating text on a path, using and adjusting text animation presets, and maybe even creating some animation presets of your own. So, let's get to text animation in After Effects. I'd like to start by creating a text layer. So let's go ahead and create a new composition. Go ahead and click on the New Comp icon at the bottom of the project panel. NTSC-DV is fine. All of this is fine. Let's change the duration to 5 seconds. Just type in 500. And let's rename this text. And there you go. Go ahead and click OK. And perfect. Now go ahead and grab the Type tool. The Type tool is this T here. If you click and hold, you're going to see that there are two kinds of type tools. There's the horizontal type tool and, of course, the vertical type tool. One types from left to right. The other one types from top to bottom. Let's go ahead and select the horizontal type tool and click on the viewable area and just type anything. Notice in the timeline that there is a text 1 layer. If you select the selection tool, the name of the layer will change to whatever it was that you typed. In this case, I just typed the word anything. Notice also that to the left of the layer's name, there is a T icon. If you double-click this, you will select all of the characters in that layer. Go ahead and select them, and now go to the character panel. The character panel should have opened as soon as you started typing. If by any reason it didn't, just go under Window and select Character. All right, let's go ahead and change the font of this so that it's an Arial black. And there you go. Let's change the font size to a little bit larger. I'm just scrubbing the number. You can also change the color by clicking on this swatch. You can add a stroke if you wish. The rest of the properties are leading, which actually sets the distance in between the lines, right? Kerning, which is the distance between two characters. Tracking, the distance between all of the characters. Let me just make this a little bit larger so we can see it. Vertical scale, horizontal scale, baseline shift. Let me just go over that really quickly. Let me go ahead and select the selection tool and then back the horizontal type tool, and I'll just type in the number 1 and the letters S and T. If I click and drag just on the S and T, I select only those characters, and I can now reduce the font size of just those. I can also increase the baseline shift, and there you go. I just have the word first there. A lot of people believe that you have to type 2 different layers to get that effect, and it's not so. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory here. The full bold, italic, all caps, anything that you find in all other character generators, including Word, paragraph, left align, center align, right align, indentation, etc., etc.